Kumusta? Hello. I come from Leyte, Tacloban City. In my family, we have so many of us, brothers and sisters, and most of the time, we have hard time. We don't have that much food to eat. So I go to the people that when they have like a party or fiesta going on. I was very young. I think I was about 7 years old. So one of my uncles used to cook for the family. He was invited specially for these people, and he said, "You sit down in a corner. I will give you some of those, you know, crusty rice on the bottom, very crispy." And I love that. I sit there forever waiting, like I was almost falling asleep. But whenever I get that, I put that in the, I put that in the banana leaves, and you're so grateful to have that. But those are the one of my most memorable memories of my young life. Start with 2 cups. 2 cups is good. Okay, 2 cups of rice, and then we're gonna go to the sink. You just pour it with your hands like that. Wash it. Pour the water, and then you wash it at least 3 times until you see the water is clear. You put the water that you're gonna cook it with. This is what we're gonna do. You shake it that's even. You put your finger, the middle finger, middle finger. You put it in there, and then you just measure it up to your line. Excuse me. You put it in there and then put like that. That's it. That's all you need to do. As soon as start slow simmer, you turn it down, and then when you turn it down, you close it. That's how I do it. But it takes a while. It's gonna be a while for it to boil. But anyway, so when the water is almost gone, then you turn it all the way to low and let it sit for 10 minutes, and it should be done. And that's it. After 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. Nice and dry. Then in my country, before you proceed, take your rice and to eat it, you make a cross on the top like that. It's an Catholic thing. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I think I'll taste it just to make sure it's good. So the rice is done. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much for watching this short video of the rice cooking.